the HTML presentation about TypeScript, created by myself. Good day, and today I will tell you why TypeScript is needed, what its advantages are, and much more. TypeScript is statically typed superset of JavaScript. It enables early error detection, improve code reliability, and offer rich IDE support. TypeScript is static typing, combining with the latest JavaScript features, make a popular choice for building scalable and maintainable web application. TypeScript is better than JavaScript. Why is that? Let's find out. Advantages of TypeScript over JavaScript. First is static typing. TypeScript is static typing catches errors at compile time, improving code quality and providing better documentation. Second, enhance IDE support. TypeScript offers autocompletion, boosting developer productivity and reduce error. Third, improved maintainability. TypeScript is static typing and interfaces enable better code organization and easier maintenance. Third, early error detection. TypeScript type checking in TypeScript identify issues early, result in more robust application. And fifth, code scalability. TypeScript encourages code reusability and maintainability, making it suitable for a large project. So, how TypeScript compile to JavaScript? TypeScript is transformed into JavaScript throughout the compilation process using TypeScript compiler. The generated JavaScript code is then ready to be executed in any Java-supported environment, providing the benefits of TypeScript static typing and language features. In TypeScript, everyday types refers to common and frequently used data types that developers encounter in their everyday coding task. These types are fundamental and practical, making them essential for writing TypeScript code efficiently. And let's explore some of these everyday types. String represent textual data. Number represent numeric values. And boolean represent logical values. Using types is one of the core features of TypeScript that enhance code clarity, reliability, and maintainability. In TypeScript, you can explicitly specify the type of variables when declaring it. Then this is known as type annotation. By doing so, you inform the TypeScript compiler about the expected data type that the variables will hold. For example, if we assign string to age, like this example, that will be an error. Also, TypeScript allows you to specify parameters, types, and return types for a function using type annotation. This helps in catching errors and providing clear interfaces for the functions. In TypeScript, you can define arrays with specific element types using square brackets, followed by the types, and so on. Interface and object types. For what? In TypeScript, an interface is a way to define a construct or a structure for object. It allows you to specify the shape of an object, describing what properties it should have and what their types should be. Interfaces are a powerful tool for enforcing a consistent structure and type safety in your code. The error occurs in this example. The error occurs because the object assigned to the person variable does not match the structure defined by the person interface. The person interface requires three properties: name, age, and isStudent. But the object provided is missing the isStudent property. In this example, we have a base interface shape representing the common properties of shapes. We then extend the shapes interface to create a more specific circle interface that includes an additional property radius. And in summary, interfaces and types alias serve similar purpose in defining object structure and custom data types in TypeScript. However, interfaces are more versatility in terms of extension, declaration merging, and implementability. On the other hand, types alias are useful when you need to create new types based on existing ones and perform more straightforward types definition. In general, interfaces are more commonly used for defining object shapes and defining contract-like structures, while types are used for more general and complexity type definitions. Classes and inheritance, and use them for object-oriented programming. So we can create class, use the class keyword followed by the class name to create a class. In the class block, we can define properties and methods. TypeScript supports class inheritance to create a subclass that inherits from a superclass. We can use the extend keywords. Subclasses inherit properties and methods from the superclass. Also, we can override methods to provide specific functionality for the subclass. And TypeScript support access modifiers like public, private, and protected. By default, properties and methods are public. Interface can be implemented by classes, ensuring that the class adheres to a specific contract defined in the interface. A class can implement multiple interfaces. In summary, classes in TypeScript allow you to create objects with properties and methods. Promoting object-oriented programming principles. We can use inheritance to create subclasses and extend functionality. Access modifiers help control the visibility and access to class members. Classes provide a powerful tool set for creating reusable and organizing code in object-oriented programming. Advanced data types. It's so complicated. It's like one is data types. It's generics. Generic are a powerful feature in TypeScript that allows you to create functions and classes that can work with a variety of data types while maintaining type safety. They provide a way to create usable and flexible code that can handle different types of data without sacrificing type checking. In this example, the function getFirstElement uses the generic type parameter t to accept arrays of different types. It returns the first element of the array while reversing the data types. Similar to function, you can also create generic class that can work with multiple data types. The types parameter is specified after the class name in angle brackets. Here, the box class is defined as a generic class with a type parameters t. It can store and retrieve value of various data types while maintaining their respective types. You can apply constraints on generic type parameters to limit the types they can accept. For example, you can enforce that the generic type must have specific properties or be a subclass of a particular class. And decorators. Decorators are also a powerful feature in TypeScript that allow you to modify or enchant the behavior of classes, methods, properties, or parameters at compile time. They provide a way to add metadata or apply transformations to the code without modifying the original source. Role of decorators in TypeScript is adding metadata. Decorators can be used to attach additional information to classes, methods, or properties. This metadata can be accessed and used by other parts of the code, enabling a form of reflection. Aspect orientation programming is decoration enables aspect-oriented programming by allowing cross-cutting concerns, such as logging, caching, or authentication, to be applied separately from the main logic of the code. Code reusability. By using decorators, you can define common functionality or behaviors and apply them to multiple parts of the code, promoting code reusability. And last but not least, code modularity. Decorators help in keeping the code base modular and focused on specific concern, making it easier to maintain and understand. TypeScript provides several built-in decorators, such as deprecated, read-only, experimental, and sealed. These decorators can be applied to class, methods, or properties to add specific behavior or mark them with certain characteristics. We can also create own custom decorators by defining a decorator functions. And yes, we can. And conclusion. Let's summarize the benefits and importance of TypeScript. First, but not least, is type safety. TypeScript provides static type checking, which helps catch errors at the compile time, leading to a more reliable and bug-free code. It improves code quality and reduces runtime errors. Second, code maintainability. The static typing and clear interfaces in TypeScript make the codebase more maintainable and self-documenting. Improving refactoring. TypeScript is powerful types system allows for safe and faster refactoring. Remaining variables, methods, or interfaces is more manageable due to the compiler's ability to identify and update all reference. And next, strong type for a large project. For strong typing for a large project. For a large-scale project, TypeScript become essential as it helps manage complex code base and avoid common pitfalls in dynamically typed language. TypeScript is cool. Thank you.